What's up guys, myself Mohammad Faraz and I am going to start my second video. In previous video we have learned how to install Python and how to install PyCharm, and in this video we will learn about variables, numbers and strings. If we want to give comment, then we use hashtag in the beginning of the line. This line will not run. I make a variable a and I assign it value 5. Variable should be start with a letter. We can't use number in start. So variable should start with a letter. We can type number after a letter. I make a variable a and assign it value 5, and I make a variable b and assign it value 3, and I want to print the sum of these two numbers in output. So I type print the sum of number a and number b is a plus b. Play it. This is our output. The sum of number a and number b is that. The sum of number a and number b is a plus b at. So output is that. In double quotation mark, this is called string. We can also use single and triple quotation mark also. We are using single quotation mark. Now we play it. So output is same. If we use triple quotation mark, we can see output is same. So we can use single, double and triple quotation mark also for the string. We can also make this number string. So we make string 5 and string 3. Now we play it. So we can see 5 and 3 are string here. So output is 5 3 5 3. Here plus sign is used for concatenation. Both strings are combined here using plus sign. So 5 and 3 are combined. If we want to see the type of this string, then we type print of type of a. Play. So we can see the type of the variable a here. The variable a is string. Now without quotation mark, integer. We can also typecasting of these two variables. For typecasting variable a, we type a integer a. For typecasting b, we type b integer b. Play. So you can see here the sum of a and b is 8, because these strings becomes integer in these two lines. Now I am going to comment these all these lines. I am making a variable x and I am assigning it a string. This is a string. In the first position, the value of this position is 0. The counting is starting in the string is from 0. So index number of t is 0, index number of h is 1, I is 2, s is 3, and space is 4, and I is 5, s is 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. If I want to slice this string from t to I, then I type print x large bracket 0 colon 0 1 2 3. So I want to output from t to I, then I put here 3 plate, so you can see the output thi. If I want output from t to s, then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 here, 11 is the stopping position plate. You can see here the result is from t to s. This is here 0 is the starting and 11 is the ending number. If I want to start from I is, so 0 1 2 3 4 5, I type here 5 plate. You can see the result is a s, because from the 5 to 11 is a s. 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 is the stopping, so it is not included. If I want to slice this string from t to I, then I type print x large bracket 0 colon 0 1 2 3. So I want to output from t to I, then I put here 3 plate, so you can see the output thi. If I want output from t to s, then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 here, 11 is the stopping position plate. You can see here the result is from t to s. This is here 0 is the starting and 11 is the ending number. If I want to start from I is, so 0 1 2 3 4 5, I type here 5 plate. You can see the result is a s, because from the 5 to 11 is a s. 5 6 7 8 9 10. 11 is the stopping, so it is not included. If we want to take string in input, Then we are making a variable input, enter the string and print it. Right. So messages, enter the string. I am typing my name, so output is string. I give it string for us and it give output for us. If I want to tag input in it as an integer, then I type integer before input. Right. So messages, enter the number 34. You can see the output is 34. So today assignment is make a swapping of two variables using three variables. For example, here three variables. The value of first variable is 3 and second variable is 5. I want output should be swapped. The value of A should be 5 and the value of B should be 3 in output. Thank you.